Welcome to the world of CAD Center training, AutoCAD Electrical. We offer training in AutoCAD Electrical in certificate, diploma, professional and master diploma courses. Our programs help you master AutoCAD Electrical for electrical controls design, electrical schematic design and electrical documentation. Our courses cover all the core functionalities of AutoCAD Electrical, including comprehensive schematic symbol library, automatic wire numbering and component tagging, circuit libraries and reuse existing drawing, real-time error checking, coil and contact cross-referencing, intelligent panel layouts, circuit builder for simple electrical design, PLC I/O drawings for spreadsheets, automatic project reports. Enroll in the AutoCAD Electrical course of your choice. When you learn AutoCAD Electrical from CAD Center, you learn its complete set of electrical design CAD features. To know more, visit www.cadcenter.com.